Today, we're traveling far beyond our solar system to meet one of the rarest visitors we've ever discovered, a comet that may be older than our sun, and it's passing through our neighborhood right now. Its name is 3IAtlas.
Older than the sun? Please. Where I come from, we'd call that a teenager.
You'll soon see why this cosmic traveler is so special. Trust me, this is one journey you don't want to miss. 3I Atlas is only the third interstellar visitor ever detected. The first was Oumuamua in 2017, and the second was 2I Borisov in 2019. This comet was spotted on July 1st, 2025, by the Atlas telescope in Chile, and from the very beginning, astronomers knew this one is different.
Third interstellar visitor? Sounds like you're finally getting popular.
What makes 3I Atlas so special is its trajectory. It's on a hyperbolic orbit, meaning it came from outside our solar system, and once it passes by the Sun, it will never return. This is just a brief visit before it disappears forever. Hubble observations suggest the comet's nucleus is less than 5 kilometers across. That's tiny by cosmic standards, but big enough to eject vast clouds of dust and gas as it heats up near the Sun.
So basically, a Manhattan-sized snowball flying through space? Cute.
Exactly. But don't worry, 3I Atlas poses no threat to Earth. It's just a fascinating guest on a one-time visit. And here's where it gets really surprising. Data from the James Webb Space Telescope show that 3I Atlas has an unusually high amount of carbon dioxide in its coma, about 8 times more CO2 than water. That's extremely rare.
8 parts CO2, 1 part water? Where I come from, we turn that into soda.
This unusual chemistry suggests the comet may have formed in a region where carbon dioxide ice was dominant, possibly in the cold outer edges of a distant star system. Another possibility is that the comet has a crust that traps CO2 but allows less water to escape. We don't know for sure, and that mystery is what makes it so exciting. Based on its speed and trajectory, 3I Atlas most likely came from the thick disk of our galaxy. And here's the amazing part. It may be 7 to 14 billion years old, older than our solar system itself, which is only 4.6 billion years old.
14 billion years? Wow. Back home, we'd call that ancient, but still binge-worthy.
If that's true, this comet is like a time capsule, carrying material from the early days of our galaxy. Studying it could help us understand how planetary systems formed billions of years ago. On October 3rd, 2025, 3I Atlas will pass within 30 million kilometers of Mars. Space agencies like ESA are preparing their orbiters to capture data. Then, on October 29th, it reaches its closest point to the Sun, known as perihelion, at about 1.36 astronomical units. For us on Earth, the best chance to observe it will be in December 2025, but even then, you'll need a telescope. Unfortunately, it won't be bright enough to see with the naked eye.
No front row seats? I'll bring my own spaceship.
Of course, there's some debate. Harvard astronomer Avi Loeb has suggested that 3I Atlas might be an artificial probe, perhaps even alien technology. But the vast majority of scientists disagree. The data strongly suggest this is a natural comet.
Sure, but if we had sent it, do you think I'd actually tell you?
Touché! This comet is giving us a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to study material from another star system. Understanding its chemistry and structure could reveal secrets about how planets, moons, and atmospheres form across the galaxy, and how unique or common our own solar system really is. If you enjoyed this journey, hit the subscribe button and join us for more space discoveries and science explained simply.
And I'll bring snacks. Anyone want a CO2 soda?